This will be a 2019 take on the ThyssenKrupp elevator at LL Bean at Freehold Raceway Mall in Freehold, New Jersey. Matt, a toll bun replaced in 2017. Shaft, Janus sensors and equipment. I'll let you listen to the motor going up. Bun went out. This is tail. Ring the bell. It's got the Aurora button up here. Here's your ThyssenKrupp solid door, you could say. And in here too. That's what I love about ThyssenKrupp. They're solid doors. Let's go to one. Get a cab view. Here's your cab view. It's a very nice ThyssenKrupp elevator. This is holeless hydraulic. Wonder if they replace the controller on this, because usually, you know, when you're on with ThyssenKrupp elevators, listen to the motor. Let's see if pressing the button rings a chime. Say. Oh, I had to press the floor button to get the chime to go off. Because the thing with ThyssenKrupp elevators is, to ring the chime, you know, if you just press this button, it doesn't ring. If you just press the button and the floor you're on, that's how you ring it. That's how ThyssenKrupp controllers are. It's how you could tell. Like if you go on a Thyssen-Dover elevator, to determine if it's a Thyssen-Dover, it'll only ring if you won't have the correct controller. Here it goes. And that's it.